What is going on, everybody? How are you doing out there today? I have a very unique junk removal job here today. Let me show you what's going on. Buddy, there's Carlos.
Yeah, they have wheels.
Perfect, yeah. All right, we got Ryan here. Ryan's gonna be doing our e-waste today.
Hi guys.
Got AJ back.
How you doing?
AJ Super Scrapper doing his thing. And then we got James over here taking apart these cubicles. So all this stuff's gonna go today. And all this electronics are gonna go, and all this is gonna go. Now the electronics are being said, Ryan's taking them. He's gonna write down what the numbers are on it, which item it is, and he is gonna take it apart. So that's what we're doing today. It's gonna be kind of crazy. So let's get to it. Okay.
All you gotta do is pull it backwards, it pops out. Back off.
All the chairs, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Need desk chair?
I do not. Do you?
Yes, I do.
Well, then
where am I gonna put it? Oh, we'll just set it down by my red truck, and I'll put it on top.
Are these going? Do you want these for? Probably not, right?
Plastic.
I think they're pretty much plastic, so we're gonna put them down by the.
A little crowd, ain't there?
Okay.
Alright. Not light.
Ready?
Yeah. Fucking glove.
Like a glove. Hammer time.
It came out.
There you go.
There we go. There we go. That side will just.
Oh, okay.
And I may be able to take this server rack apart. I got my drill with me.
Okay.
I'm taking pieces, so it'll be left in the metal cabinet
That'll work.
when I'm done.
Okay.
I think I can do it.
Okay. All right.
They all come apart like that.
Okay. Oh, I see.
They're
Okay.
attached to each other, so I gotta take out so many of them to get it all out.
Gotcha. Let you go.
Now, the
conduits are up in the bottom of this one.
I got it.
See what the colors are.
Found it.
What are you doing?
Who?
You.
Just gonna grab a sprinter.
That's what I was coming to grab, but
Well,
that's fine if you want to take it. Go ahead.
You go grab it. You grab it. You're stronger than me. It's probably weighs a little bit of a ton. Attaboy. I'll get the chair. I'll do the heavy lifting.
Yeah, I know you will. Okay, so if you have
So-
any metal you want to take, just take it.
Yeah, he knows.
Oh.
Yeah, he's taking all the metal. Ryan's taking the electronics because they got to be broken down and disposed of. And we're just getting paid for doing our normal thing. Oh, so pretty. Pledge. Why not? Okay. Ooh, nice, look at that. Dixie Chicks.
Hey, that's a classic.
That's a classic, now they're just the Chicks. Oh. Okay. Pull
Let's
that
see
pull.
what- So we can get all the conduit right there, so it's not, if you can't take it apart with the side. That's good.
You saw your new camouflage?
Yeah.
Scrap, man. Alright. Getting some metal there, buddy.
Yeah.
Let's go see what Ryan's got in his truck here so far. We got a monitor, we got a printer, monitor. I don't know what this stuff is. All sorts of goodies. Now, before you say to me, well, Shane, why didn't you just sell some of this stuff? I can't. A lot of this stuff's brand new too. So this is something that part of the deal with this company was that they have to be decommissioned, taken apart, and so what we got here, we got a Cisco 2900 series. Still got the plastic on it. You can tell it's basically brand new. This is what I would call a scrapper's dream. It's a micro scrapper's dream, that is. So at Cisco 2900, I'll put up on the screen what it's worth. Who knows how many are in here, but yeah, all this stuff Ryan's got to take back. He's got to take it apart, and then he has to send a list to the company that we're doing this work for, to tell them that yes, he indeed has taken, here's a serial number, here's the, it has been dismantled, serial number been dismantled. Then he has to share that with the company that we're doing this work for. So as much as I would have loved to have dug through this and sold some of this, it's just not what we're here to do today. So that is for this guy here to do.
Quite a day.
I wonder if he's regretting it at this point.
No, not regretting it.
Not
It's
regretting
gonna be
it.
a lot of work.
It's gonna, I was just explaining to everybody that part of the deal, part of the agreement was that you got to take all this apart and
Yep. All
document
destroyed.
it, and destroy it all. Yep.
Yep.
So, which that's your thing. That'll keep you busy for a while.
Yes, it will. Yeah.
Is this better than the school deal you got last year?
Yes.
Yeah.
Better electronics.
Better electronics. Okay.
School had more of it, but less.
Less quality.
Quality.
Gotcha. Okay.
Trying to make a load for me.
Hey, can you keep it down? There's a daycare next door. Kids are trying to sleep.
Okay.
Lift that up to me.
You sure I'll get it?
No, I got it. Just lift it up here.
Good.
Yep.
Ain't no daycare next to us.
There's a stack of stuff out there.
Roger that.
So you fill the one.
Okay.
So there's no mix up or anything.
All right. That'll do it. Oh gosh, it's unplugged.
I got all that loaded up in the truck.
All right.
All them chairs.
Okay. Keep going. Yep. Okay. There we go.
What I told you again. When I get time, I said, we're still in camping season / whatever, and I said, I'm taking a vacation.
Huh, good. Shouldn't do that while he's holding that in. That hits him. That'd be nice to Carlos.
It's slipping out of my hand.
Slip out of your hand. Is that your belt today?
No,
is that your belt today?
Way better than that.
All right, well that's good.
Is there anything we're missing that you see that we need to get?
There's an eraser there against the wall.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I didn't even know what it was. Right, you're doing it.
You got a necklace for you. You look behind it.
Yeah, you see AJ's necklace there, everybody? Isn't that pretty? That's all the gangsters are wearing.
Yeah, right.
Copper. Anything else? You got a pop can here, but that's yours.
Don't. All right, everybody, that job took about 4 hours and we got paid $1,200, but of course I had to pay James and Carlos and AJ. Carlos and AJ got a trailer full of scrap metal, and AJ actually took the initiative and went back and got the black chairs out of the truck and sold them for $5 a piece, so he made a little extra money as well. Of course, Ryan got all of his not scrap metal, but Ryan got all of his e-waste, so he's going to be busy for a while. And we did such a good job for this company that they invited us to do another bid for them in Marshalltown. They were really impressed with how quickly we got the job done. So all in all, it was a good experience for us. I got a bunch of free shelving, which is now in my garage, so I was thankful for that. But anyway, guys, that's it. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and we'll see you